In this video, I'm going to show you how you can organize your pages, playlists, and channels into folders. Here on the left-hand side, you see the root folder called My Pages. And if I click on that, I can, for example, rename that or add a new folder underneath that. Let's call that one subfolder 1. And I can do the same thing with this folder. Click on that, add a new folder, subfolder to that, like this. And if I want to go back, I simply click on that folder and select open, or I can double click on a folder to immediately navigate to that folder. Now, how am I going to move these items into a subfolder? Because if I select the subfolder, it will take me away from that root folder and show me the contents of the subfolder. Well, to do that, I need to open a second path that will help me select the target folder like this. And now I can drag my pages into that target folder like this. And if I open that, you'll see that here are the two pages that I've just dragged in there. I can do the exact same thing with folders, by the way. I can select a folder, and then if I want to move that somewhere else, for example, to root level, I can do it this way. And now you can see that underneath My Pages, I have two subfolders, subfolder 1 and subfolder 2, like this. Now I'm going to show you what happens when I search. Say I'm in the root folder and I start searching for the pizza page. Then here you see that it will find the pizza page because it's in one of the subfolders of the root folder. So the search functionality will always look in the current folder and all of its subfolders. Also be aware that if you delete a folder, it will not only delete that one folder, it will delete all of its contents and all of the contents of all the subfolders. So you should be aware of the destructive nature of deleting folders. Next, let's look at playlists. Here you see the exact same thing. We have a root playlist folder called My Playlists. And here too, I can add a subfolder and open a secondary path where I can drag to. So like this. And if I open that, there's the playlist that I've just dragged. And lastly, you'll see the same thing for channels. It's the exact same mechanism. So we wish you all the best with organizing your pages, playlists, and channels. If you need more information, you can find that on help.bizplay.com. You can always email us at support@bizplay.com. Good luck with that.